So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut and go into outer space? Yeah, me too! Maybe you and I should draw a rocket ship together. Well, let's use the color purple! Yeah, rocket ships are how astronauts get into outer space. So let's draw a point right up top. Looks like the start of a triangle, right? And then these two lines go straight down. And if you connected right there and right there, which we won't, that would be a rectangle. Instead, we're gonna draw a circle for the porthole. All right, let's draw a really small rectangle down here. There we go. And then we need some fins. Yeah, a couple straight lines just like that. Whoa, this rocket looks fast, doesn't it? And then a straight line right there to make another rectangle. Ooh, some dots. Yeah, for some bolts, so it stays all connected. And then some flames. Yeah! Whoa! Wasn't that so much fun? Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!